becomes a prayer. I know that you are there. The world fades out, I close my eyes. Your spirit fills the sky. Your whispers wrap around my soul and make me whole. You're moving light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I remain in sacred moments again. Sacred moments. You breathe through shadows, soft and kind, restoring peace of mind. Each second turns to endless grace when I behold your face. Your spirit glows, your mercy flows. Through every night that grows, I find my rest in you and all you do. You're moving light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I remain in sacred moments again. Every breath you sanctify, every tear you dry. Your peace surrounds my heart, your rare star. Let your spirit stay in me every day. Forever I will find your peace divine. Ah. close I can see your light surrounding me. Through every storm, through every tear, your presence keeps me near. You shine through clouds, through endless skies. Your grace will never die. Every breath and quiet flame carries your name. You hold my heart so tight. Through every darkened night, your love will never fade. In you I remain. Faithful, glow, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain, your peace remains. Faithful, glow, shining through. All my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. The night grows quiet, stars arise. Your truth fills up the skies. Every word you've ever said still echoes in my head. You guide my feet with tender eye. You turn my wrongs to right. Your faithfulness won't cease. It brings me peace. You hold my heart so tight. Through every darkened night, your love will never fade. In you I remain. Faithful, glow, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain, your peace remains. Faithful, glow, shining through. All my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. When I can't see the way, you turn the night to day. Through silence you still speak. Your love's what I seek. Your spirit lights the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. Forever you will show your faithful glow. Faithful, glow, calm The ocean whispers through my heart. Your love's where I start. Every tide and every sound. Your mercy all around. You move like water through my pain. You wash me clean again in every breath I see. You're healing me. You calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine. Forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide. You pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. The night is still, the stars align. Your spirit intertwines. Every whisper calls my name. I'll never be the same. You move with rhythm, soft and slow. Through every ebb and flow, my soul begins to rise. To meet your skies, you calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine. Forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide. You pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Let your mercy flood the deep, where love and spirit meet. Every tear you washed away with every wave. Your rhythm beats within my chest. Your peace my only rest. Forever I'll embrace your waves of grace. Waves of grace. The dawn awakens soft and clear. Your mercy draws me near. Every moment, every sound, your beauty all around. The gentle waves, they sing your praise in endless tender ways. My heart begins to sing. You're all I need to be. You lift me when I fall. You're everything and all. Your presence fills the space within this grace. across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you, so gentle, pure and true. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name, forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide, you dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. You wash away my pain. Your mercy falls like morning dew, restoring what is true. The stars reflect your endless grace. I'm lost within this place where heaven meets the sea. You're breathing into me. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name, forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide, you dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. Your spirit flows like wind and sea, forever guiding me. In stillness I can hear your voice so clear. You fill the air with peace and light. You turn my wrongs to right. Forever I'll belong within your song. Soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name, forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide, you dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. breath of heaven. Shadows fade, your glory unafraid. Every breath becomes a flame that burns to praise your name. You fill the skies with endless grace, your warmth in every place. Through every tide and hue, I'm shining bright for you. You move within the air, your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free, you shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. The ocean mirrors heaven's glow, your love begins to flow. Every heartbeat sings of you in every shade of blue. Your spirit whispers through the breeze, a peace that never leaves. You lift my soul above with everlasting love. You move within the air, your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts of light, glowing free, you shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure, your mercy will endure. Forever we will be. Your hearts of light, let your radiance fill this place. The beauty of your grace, every tear and fear erased by your embrace. We'll carry love so wide, with you as our guide. Forever we'll ignite your hearts of light. Hearts of light, glowing free, you shine through all I see. You shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure, your mercy will endure. Forever we will be. Your hearts of light. Hearts of light, hearts of light, forever bright. Hearts of light, hearts of light. joy and through the pain. Every heartbeat sings your grace. I feel you in this place. The waves are whispering your name. Your peace will never change. Every breath I take tonight, you fill with holy light. You move through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sight, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. The stars above begin to glow. Your beauty starts to show. Every thought you sanctify. Your love will never die. Your spirit lingers in the air. I know you're always there. You carry me through night and day. In you I'll always stay. You move through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sight, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. You are the fire within my heart. You set my life apart. Your peace is all I see. You're everything to me. No shadow can remain. Your mercy breaks the chain. Forever you will be my eternity. Presence eternal, wherever you stay. Presence eternal. Peaceful horizon, you're like keeps rising. The sky unfolds in shades of gold. Your mercy to behold. Every breath a gentle wave. Your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air. I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rises, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every side. You lift my soul so high. Peaceful rising, calm and true. My heartbeat belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I'm resting in your will. Every heartbeat starts anew. With gratitude for you, your light reflects across the sea. It draws me close to thee. Every wave your grace unfolds, more precious than gold. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rising, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every side. is my soul. You make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away as you begin to stay. You lift my eyes to see the dawn, a love that carries on. Every breath I take is yours, forevermore. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Shine with me, forever. Through endless skies, your mercy flows. Your kindness overflows. Every step I walk in light, your love makes all things right. You fill the dark with golden hue. My soul finds rest in you. In silence I can hear your voice so clear. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Let your glory